All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, we had our arena enlarged, 48 by 48. We had our three pillars on each side, and we had our portal set. The last thing we had to do was actually fix the gridding or fix the walls to actually complete our maze. Let's see how that went. So we're going to take a top perspective, see if we can get an aerial view of what our now arena looks like with our maze complete. Because yes, it is complete. So as you can see here, let me get this out of the way. We do have our maze complete. Let me zoom down a little bit so we can get a full look at it. And zooming up, let me go the other way so we can get a full look at it. Here you go. So this is our maze here. So when we first come through the portal, as you can see, it's here. You can see we can't go directly to our battle arena. We have walls in front of us. So let's say we came in and we wanted to take this path right here. Just follow my mouse. We wanted to come in here. We're blocked by a wall. We can't go. We wanted to come in here. We're blocked by a wall. We can't go. If we wanted to come here, we would go all the way up here. We're blocked by another wall. We can't go. So our only choice would be go to the left. This will be our left if we coming through the portal. We're facing this wall. So we would go to our left, try here, blocked off. So that means we have to go all the way to the outer skirts, travel along this path, and we'll try to stay along this path there and keep moving as far as we can. You can see we're blocked here, so we go back up. We'll come in. We'll actually try to go here in this opening, the first opening. You'll see there's no escape here, so this is all blocked off. That means we have to take this path here, which travel down. See this little opening. We'll come through and try to go all the way down, which is blocked. So we have to come back up. We go back here, this opening, try to go up. You see it's blocked. So we come down, come through this opening. We go up, see we have an opening here. Go down, see we have an opening here. And you see here, we can actually access our arena. So our maze is finally complete, and I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, with that being said, we're gonna take the day off of the building our arena and our environment since it is done, and we're gonna probably take the rest of the day or tomorrow, seeing how I feel about coding for the rest of the day. And we're gonna focus on our AI learning agents. So that's where we're at with everything. Our maze is completely done. If you want to see that again, you can actually watch the video again and just slow it down so you can follow and trace and see exactly what I did. Everything is perfectly aligned and fixed, so it is the complete workable maze. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.